Reading variable entered maps for minimal sum. So when obtaining a minimal sum in case of variable entered maps, you have to group all the subcubes involving the variable also addition to ones. So if you consider a simple example where you have consider the table K map where you have Z written inside this. So in this case we have to map the set literal corresponding to here. If you see, this set literal will correspond to x bar, y bar, z, and this written over here will correspond to the minter x, y bar, z. So we can write the function as f of xyz will be equal to x bar y bar z plus x y bar z. So if you take y bar z common, what will be remaining as x bar plus x equal to y bar z. So in order to group this variable entered map here, we have to group the set literals also along with ones. So grouping the set literal over here, we will obtain this as, so once you have grouped the set literals, so when you are writing the term, just like how we write for the K map, also the variable should be written along with this. So x cannot be written as x is differing in the variables, but y is the same. So y is corresponding to 0, that means y bar into the variable which is grouped, that is z. So both the grouped and the function reduction value is the same. Now considering another example, that is where we have set z bar and 1 inside the cell. So when we want to group this, so here cells containing z bar and z literal in this, that corresponds to, the values are z bar corresponds to x bar, y, z bar and x, y bar, z. So here instead of writing one cell, as we have to group it, this one cell can be replaced with z plus z bar. So writing the function value, so here as it is 1, so that value corresponds to x bar y bar into 1 plus z bar corresponds to x bar y into z bar and z corresponds to x y bar into z. So instead of 1, it can be written as z plus z bar. So cross multiplying, we will get this equation. So here y bar z is common, so it can be taken outside. So the equation becomes y bar z into x bar plus x plus x bar z bar x bar z bar into y bar plus y. So the final equation will be y bar z plus x bar into z bar, because this value is equal to 1 and this value is equal to 1. Now here, in order to group this, we can write this equation as, the K map can be redrawn as, instead of 1, replace it with z plus z bar and z bar, then below z and 0. So this is x 0 1 and y 0 1. So here these z bar and z bar can be grouped as 1 and this z and z can be grouped as 1. So that means that final equation, this corresponds to, z corresponds to y bar z and z bar corresponds to x bar z bar. So same as the function reduced value. So when both z and z bar portions are used, then one cell is said to be completely covered. If it is used by only z, then it is not completely covered. if it is used by both Z and Z bar portions, then we call it as completely covered. Considering another example where the cell is given as which has 1 and Z inside the literal. So in this case again 1 can be replaced by Z plus Z bar and below Z, and it will be 0. So the grouping can be done as Z and Z can be grouped together, as Z bar cannot be grouped with any other elements. This can be considered as 1. So Z plus Z grouping will correspond to Y bar into Z, and as Z plus Z bar is equal to 1, so that grouping will correspond to X bar Y bar. So we get this solution. So one cell can be grouped with a map ended literal or its complement, or it can be just used as such as 1 itself. Now procedure for obtaining minimal sums for complete Boolean function from a VEM variable ended map with a single map ended variable. So this is considering only single map ended variable. So first step in this is, first we have to group all the subcubes involving literal V, that is considering all the 1 cells as don't care and the cells containing V bar as 0 cells. So all the V literals should be grouped. After this, all the literal V bar should be grouped with considering 1 cells don't care and cells containing literal V as 0 cells. Then next step is optimum collection of subcubes of 1 cells not completely covered in step 1, that is not used by V and V bar, that is by literals V and V bar become 0 cells, and 1 cells covered in step 1 become don't care cells. So another way of doing this is, if it is not completely covered, then this can be also covered by using V cells or V bar cells, so that we can ensure that all the 1 cells are completely covered. So considering another example, that is consider the variable ended map given by this K map. So first step is replace all Z bar by 0. All the Z bar should be replaced by 0 and rest all write the same value. So here only the Z bar value is replaced by 0. Then this variables should be grouped. So group in the same way as how the grouping is done in case of K map. So Z can be grouped with 1. This is the only possible combination, and the min term corresponding to this will be equivalent to W bar X bar Z. Next step is we have to group all the, we have to replace all the Z by 0 literals and Z bar, and consider 1 as don't care. So Z bar should be kept as such and replace all the Z literals by 0. So now again grouping has to be done. So when here while grouping we can group this as 4. So this can be grouped. So the term corresponding to this will be Y bar into Z bar. Now we have to see whether all the cells are completely covered. That is, it should be grouped by both Z and Z bar literals. So Z and Z bar literals become 0 and 1 cells completely covered as don't care cells. So if it is not covered by both Z bar and Z literal, then it is not completely covered. Now in this case it is being covered by only Z bar literal, so it has to be again grouped. So in order to do that, consider the cells whichever is covered, consider it as don't care, and consider the 0 cells what is remaining. So the cells which is not completely covered should be written as 1. So group these elements, so which corresponds to xy. So the final minterm expression, minimal sum, will be given as w bar x bar z plus y z bar plus xy. This will be the minimal sum expression. Now considering another example, that is this expression. So first step is grouping set by considering z bar literal equal to 0. So replace z bar literal alone with 0 and write the other terms as such. And now grouping the z literals. So z can be grouped in this way and in this way. So these two will correspond to x bar y bar z and xy z. Next step is group the z bar literals by considering z literal equal to 0. So wherever z is there, replace it with 0. So you will obtain it as, this will be, you will obtain the equation as, this will be z bar. So grouping the terms, so these two should be grouped together. So this will correspond to WY Z bar. Now whichever is uncovered one cell, so replace whichever is covered one cells by don't care and all other Z and Z bar by 0 and consider the uncovered cell. So uncovered cell is this one. So replace it with, so the term will be W bar x y bar. So the final minimal sum f of w x y z will be equal to x bar y bar z plus x y z plus w y z bar plus w bar x y bar. Now considering third problem. So if you consider another example, so in this example you have again grouping z elements. So you have only one z element. So consider rest all equal to 0. So considering that way, we can group 1 and z. So this will correspond to w y z. And next step is grouping z bar elements by considering z element to be 0. So in z position, consider it to be 0 and group all the z elements, z bar elements. So z bar elements can be grouped in this way. So the elements will correspond to w bar z bar and y bar z bar. Now the usual method of solving the last part is by considering the cell which is not grouped. So once you consider and considering other elements to be 0. So if you do that way and group it, you can see that this is equal to w x bar y. Another way of handling this equation is we can group the incompletely covered cell by grouping it with z bar or z literals. So in this case, as there are lot many z bar and z literals, we can combine it with z bar literal. So which will give you the minterm as x bar z bar. So when you compare it with w x bar y, x bar z bar is the minimal term. So this is the minterm which can be considered in this type of grouping. So this will be the final expression.